guys honestly stop your fighting? Or did you just take it up there? Can you look for a purple rag anywhere? Because there's the birds. Crap, I almost dropped it. The birds were fighting over it. Now they're all coming to me. Hello! I feed them. I'll probably upload a video of me feeding them. Quack, quack. I catch one of these pigeons like I already did. I'll also try to make a video of all the animals I catched or something. What is happening? Can you see that? I don't think you can. Oh, there it is. They finally saw that I wasn't. Ready, 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 ready. Go over here. Just drop it over. Okay, let's see what they do. There's one over there. My garden. There's one over there, and there's one there. Stop, no, it's moved. It's moving. Oh, you're looking at me. It's moving. The rag's moving. There's a pigeon out there. Can you see Mr. Pidgey? Mr. Pidgeon? The Pokemon character? Can they honestly not see that rag? You can see it, right guys? Right? 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 Yes, now you can. It was just a cow that went through. There's one over there as well. Probably looking for it. No, that's not the cow. Maybe if I go get food, they'll come to. Oh, look, he's coming to me. Thinks I got food. You know what? Let's go get some food for them. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. Ran away from me. Okay, next video.